In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Jupyter Lab on Windows 10 operating system. So first here, opening this place, so command prompt, and there let's use CLS command first. Now if I write there Python minus minus version, then you can see 3.14.3 that already installed. Right there pip minus minus version. So here you can see pip is already in install. So with the help of this pip that I'm going to install there Jupyter Lab. So we need to write there pip, then install Jupyter Lab. So pip install Jupyter Lab. Press enter. Now here this is now processing, and for here downloading and collecting. So for this one net should be connected because this is doing some download. There here you can see collecting and downloading. Here Jupyter Lab that install. Thereafter let's use the CLS command, and now let's write Jupyter Lab minus minus version. So you can see here this Jupyter Lab minus minus version. So with the help of this command we can get there what exactly version of Jupyter Lab that install. So 4.55 that install. Now to open Jupyter Lab, so right there Jupyter Lab, not this one, Lab. So here you can see this is now currently opening successful. So you can use here let's use the Chrome browser. So in the Chrome browser here, this Jupyter Lab is now opening. This is the local host. This is the port 888 and lab. So this open there. Now thereafter this place you can write any Python code, pandas code. So let's write there print then hello world. Hello world, and this here is to run hello world that's displaying 8 plus 9. Then let's click on this run 17 that's displaying. So this here, and this you can see this is for save. So let's give there hello and rename and save. So this save here. So this is how we can install this Jupyter Lab on Windows 10. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.